So there are these strange things. Hope you can see it. It's a white something. They keep flying around in the air, and according to the superstition, if you catch one, sort of spit on it 3 times, like poo poo poo, and let it go, you'll be lucky. Wow, not much luck with the birds so far, so fingers crossed that this works. But we'll need some nice birds now. Only seen some colored doves. I've heard 2 nightingales hidden somewhere in the foliage, but I couldn't manage to see any of them. That's about it for now. Now, this is one of the parts of the city where you may not necessarily want to come to alone or otherwise. I'm just trying to figure out. So this place is heavily attended by homeless people and gypsies. So it's quite a place to come. Now I do dare, or shall I say I am a bit more daring because I am local, but yeah, I don't necessarily recommend. I may have gotten to the wrong spot. Okay, this is not the spot. Shit. This is the spot for crossing the bridge. This bridge is the Podul Densușianu that links Ioșia the north to Regerius. Now the problem is you can't cross on the surface there, so you have to come to the underpass. And I'm going to have to cross that bridge, which is an active rail bridge. I've done it so many times when I was a child. I've not crossed it probably for 20-25 years. Oh, I've actually missed it. Anyway, I can see some birds flying around, so I'll get back to you later. Okay, let's see. I must admit, it's not particularly easy to do these trekkings, hiking, climbings with the camera hanging off your chest and holding a GoPro. Nonetheless, it's quite an adventure, so I'm okay. There's no train coming. Usually they'd use their signal to let you know in advance that they are approaching, so and there's the river Crișul Repede in Romanian, Sebes-Körös in Hungarian, and we continue our journey. That's a small dam over there we have on the river. Ooh, I almost tripped. I believe it's in active use, so nonetheless people love that because they can jump off it and off the top into the river. So quite a popular destination for youth, for the local youth. And not only just need to be careful with these protruding or outstanding pieces of metal. I believe they are meant to be meant to have been screwed to the metal base, but oh well. One more check, nothing coming, then we can try to cross. Now these rails are not electrified, so we can step across without the fear of dying. Now, the one problem I have is that apparently, since I've been here, some of this land has been bought by a shepherd, and his dogs are on loose. This is probably human feces. Gross, but it's part of the local life. So let's see. Yeah, the shepherd. So apparently the dogs are loose and they're not particularly friendly. So we'll see if I manage to get through them without being bitten. That would be the last thing I'd want for today. Theoretically, I believe no one is allowed on the dam or around the dam. Nonetheless, nobody really cares. They just enjoy themselves and the good weather. It's very cool, though. Now I am supposed to be able to get down to the bank somehow, somewhere. I just can't particularly remember where that is supposed to be, or if that path down still exists. But by the looks of it, seems like there have been some changes since I've been here. I don't think this is the one because it's overgrown. Okay, so I've been advised by a nice local chap that the path down to the bank that I was looking for is actually, well, it's a bit of detour, so probably my memory is tricking me. Well, like I said, I haven't been here for so many years, 2.5 decades, and so I am supposed to be going around this land, and then on the other side of it I should be able to find the path down to the bank of the river. So maybe this is the bit where the problem starts with the shepherd and his dogs, but we'll see. Ooh, lovely nature. I really miss this place. I really miss this place. And I think this is gonna be my spot to get down to the bank. Yeah. Or maybe I should walk a bit more. I'm not 100% sure if that's my path to follow or this one and then get a bit further down. just need to be careful. You may find broken glass, shards, whatnot. I think I may have heard some B-eaters, but I'm not 100% sure. Yeah, I was right. I've heard B-eaters, and I've already seen one on one of these electric lines. So now I just need to find a colony. Keep me in your prayers. Look how they're jumping off the ground. They're all over the place. Grasshoppers, some sort. Okay, so the path is now getting closer and closer to the river. The river is also pretty shallow at this point. There's also many people in there. Wonderful nature. That is all I wanted. Rubbish. Perfect. It's a perfect addition to a wonderful day out in nature. Fucking bastards. I hope they end up in a bag like this. Shit faces. Now I've reached a point, I've reached a section of the river where I cannot walk along anymore without crossing, so I have to get my shoes off, my socks off, and cross the lovely and warm water. How lovely is that? Okay, let's get down to it. Pro tip: do not try to cross these points without wearing something like socks, sandals, sliders. Socks no. Shoes, sliders or sandals. Otherwise, by the time you cross, you'll be finished. These stones in the water, they are killer. Mother. Oh. Oh dear. Ah, there was a crossing and a half. But the good thing is, because of the 37 degrees, my feet and the shoes are going to dry soon. And to be honest, it's not that bad walking in wet shoes. The water keeps you a little bit cooler, so it's good. I found this pond here with some reed bed. Managed to get some decent shots of a great reed warbler. That's pretty good, happy with that.